dito kami sa Ikea, nakalinya kami. So, mahaba ang line. Ayan.
Young guys, we just moved earlier.
So, ayan.
It's really fast. It's really moving.
Lakad-lakad lang.
Yeah.
So, mamaya papakita natin kung ano yung bibilin natin. So, we'll show you in a little bit. Malapit na kami sa entrance. Ito. Ayan na. So, ayan kami. Say hi.
Yeah, you guys. We just have the entrance. We have to just go inside there now.
Oo. Ayan, malapit na. Isa-isa muna. Mahaba,
Guys,
konti.
we're almost done, guys. So exciting, right?
Okay, maya-maya uli. Dito na tayo sa loob. Lalakad-lakad lang.
Yeah.
And,
Look.
ayan.
See, guys?
Titingin-tingin lang. Ayan.
See, guys? Look. So, help.
Ayan.
Guys,
Ala. Kumain na. So, ayan guys.
over there.
Yeah, ito ang Ikea. Maki-shopping kayo sa amin. So, nakita natin kung anong bibilin natin dito na mga mura. So, ikot-ikot lang. Titingnan ng mga style.
Just listen to the style of the couches and stuff like that, guys.
So,
Let's keep on looking what we want.
magaganda.
Look at that, guys. Look at it, guys.
So, maya uli.
Yeah, but
Ito. So, itong kukunin natin ngayon. Ito.
This one has a soap thingy.
How many do you want?
I need new ones because the ones I have are
Can you hold this? No. Sorry. Wait, no, don't touch it, please.
you touch
Here.
it.
No. Open it.
I touched it.
Okay. So, we're getting
Yeah, guys.
4. How many is in there now?
Like 3, 4.
5. So, it's this all.
Like,
199.
these are really nice.
And ay ito kukunin namin yung sponge. They are 199 ng tatlo. So, not bad.
Yeah, guys, it's not that bad to buy so much stuff you really want. Like those.
Ito, 129. And then,
This one is like $4.99.
ay, nagmahal na to. 450 na to. Don't touch it. So, ayan.
Look, guys, this is the table.
Let's go. Where's that?
And we got like some chairs right here. Some more chairs right there. And guys, we have some cards. And look. Guys, so that's new.
Ito,
That's
maganda
just
to.
new.
Maganda. $15.99.
Mom, you can get your stuff. I just saw.
Oh, 99 cents. Yung
And
iba.
guys, there's another big one. And guys, look. This is
Ah,
the.
ito. Big. Ito, I got this one dati. $5.99 lang ito.
Mom,
Oh, $5.99.
can you get me this?
So, let's see. Hold on, guys.
I'll hold it.
So, $5.99 lang siya. Ang ganda.
Not here. I'll hold it. I'll hold the phone.
So, ayan. Where's Daddy? Come on. Ayan, so, $12.99. first, Daddy.
Wow.
Okay, so ito kukunin namin. No. 299 siya. Apat kukunin.
So guys, we have like this. So guys, let me show you something that
Ito ginawa namin.
so that what my mom got.
99 cents.
This is 99 cents from.
99 cents siya.
Loading and unloading only.
Yan, 99 cents siya. 150. And then ito yung kinuha namin. 100. Malaki siya.
Yeah, guys. Can I touch it now?
Ika. Ayan. Mura lang.
So guys, look, this is what my mom talks about. Where it's like 99 cents, 99 cents, guys. Let's see. See, guys. Huh.
Justin.
Yeah, guys.
Ayun,
So
napkin ang binili niya.
we bought some like sponges, guys. How do you
Ayan.
see?
Ayan na. Nakabili na kami. Dalawa na nabili namin. Tatlo. So, thank you for watching. Paalis na kami ng Ikea.
So guys,
So, please subscribe.
please subscribe and turn notifications. And then we're gonna show you how good it looks out.
Ayan.
Look up.
Ayan na. Paalis na kami.
Look.
Makita namin mamaya ang aming nabili. Thank you. So guys, ito, nasa kotse na kami. At madami kami napamili. So I bought 10 of these. So, 10. Madami siya. And then, apat nito. So, ayan. Madami. So, I think it is a great deal, guys. So, kuha na kayo. Yan ang ating deal today. So, ayan. See, sabi ko sa inyo, apat na nabili namin. And then, more of the Ziploc. Madami pang Ziploc. So, kumuha na kayo. Mga beshi. So, ayan. So, how did you guys like going to Ikea, guys?
It was really fun. And guys, today we're gonna do scrapbooking.
So, ayan. So, I'm so happy sa aking mga nakuha sa IKEA. Time to stock up because you just never know. So, till next time, guys. Andito kami sa may Emeryville. Pero, sa susunod na naman na vlog yan. So, andito kami sa Emeryville. Kung nakikita nyo ay ng Banana Republic. But, anyway, so, guys, say your goodbye. Say see you later.
But good like this. Look, we're making a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn notifications. So guys, IKEA! Yay! Look, good. We're making